Alright, took some measurements of the copper gutters we're going to be doing maybe later this week. Stay tuned. Don't miss that one. And now we are headed to Hood River. On the way to Hood River. Got some truck stops here. October 11, 539 for regular, 576 for diesel. Took a little pit stop at Multnomah Falls, grabbed a bunch of breakfast burritos, best burritos the falls can offer. Look at that wildfire that we had a couple of years ago in the Columbia River Gorge. Just scorched everything from Hood River to Troutdale almost. Highway 84 was closed. It was pretty bad up here. It's good today. Got to the house. We're removing the old gutters. We're gonna install some new ones. We're gonna make some custom corners for this customer to eliminate some downspouts. So right here is gonna be a gutter corner. We're going to there. Gutters all the way across. We'll show you some of the big downspouts we do. Square, clean outs, large outlets. It's gonna be amazing. Got all the gutters off, and they're all on the ground. Chop them up with a bandsaw. Get this cleaned up. We'll go through with a magnet, pick up all our nails, and it's gonna be a good day. So yeah, right over there, we're gonna make a gutter corner. Right there, going down, connect with that gutter. That will eliminate this ugly downspout here.
pick up old nails with a magnet. Missed one right there.
Well, today we got a house, but their fascia board is at an angle. What is the solution? Well, we got wedges for the gutters. So that goes underneath and makes the gutters straight. And this is how it was before. It had no wedges and the gutter was at an angle. Was not the best solution. So with our angles, the gutter will be straight. Building some cleanouts, put them together, crimp the screens, and it shall be good. All right, got our angle gutter in there. Dave, can you double check with the level, make sure it's draining?
Oh yeah, level is great.
It's draining, amazing. Hanging this side. Got that special corner in. Gonna get this gutter in. Don't forget your snacks, trail mix. There used to be a downspout right there. Got rid of it and installed the gutter instead. We're just gonna put a level to this, make sure it drains, and then one last gutter up there. Water test. Gotta test them gutter. Gutter is done. Water tested. Looks good.
Ready for the first. Right down. Up wheels. And there's up. Just need the elbow beam.
Project complete. Homeowner brought us some drinks. Amazing. And some chips. What a great day. This customer got square downspouts. We'll put extra slope on them so they don't clog. They got cleanouts at the bottom. Looks really nice. Everything is brown. Gutters, downspouts. Still got our hour drive home. It's nice and bright out. Turned out really good. David, what you doing? We're rolling up the hoses. Oh, we used the hose, so we have to roll it up. That sounds fair. So what's your favorite part of the job today?
It was all good. We loved it. And the view was beautiful.
The view was amazing.
And working with the guy that's recording the video.
Driving back, stop by this place, get some snacks. By the way, we did that one last year. 6K gutters on that one. Beautiful project. Beautiful place. Thank you. World's largest ice cream. What you got, Dave? We did gutters on these little containers here a while back, last year. They're cool little containers. If you guys want a container, my buddy makes them out in Portland, Oregon. They deliver them, install them. Bridge of Gods. Casket locks. Driving back, 529, 577. All day at work. Fuel prices have not gone down. Oh well, I guess we'll be moving along. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.